flaws could allow remote command execution. A new set of security vulnerabilities has been discovered in the Open Printing Common Unix Printing System, CUPS, on Linux systems, which could permit remote command execution. An unauthenticated attacker could replace or install new printers with malicious IPP URLs, leading to arbitrary command execution when a print job is initiated. The vulnerabilities affect various Linux distributions and Unix-like operating systems that use CUPS, including ArchLinux, Debian, Fedora, and Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL. The list of vulnerabilities includes CV 2024-47176, CV 2024-47076, CV 2024-47175, CV 2024-47177. These flaws can be chained together to create a malicious, fake printing device on a network-exposed Linux system running CUPS and trigger remote code execution. The issues arise due to improper handling of new printer available announcements in the CUPS browsed component and poor validation by CUPS of information provided by a malicious printing resource. While Red Hat Enterprise Linux notes that all versions are affected, the default configuration is not vulnerable. The severity of these issues is tagged as important, but the real-world impact is likely to be low. Affected systems are exploitable if UDP port 631 is accessible and the vulnerable service is listening. Patches are being developed and will be released soon. In the meantime, users are advised to disable and remove the CUPS browse service if it's not necessary and block or restrict traffic to UDP port 631. Security experts note that these vulnerabilities are serious but unlikely to impact a large number of desktop machines or workstations running CUPS. Organizations are encouraged to focus on known vulnerabilities that are actively being exploited by threat groups and ransomware affiliates.